If you are living in Ireland and you've been avoiding looking at your payslip because you feel the terms there are complicated, you might actually be overpaying on tax without realizing it. So today we are going to walk through the payslip so that we can understand what each deduction means. Hi, my name is Vivian and I'm your money friend. Here we talk about everything money and finance. Hit the follow button and of course save this video so that you can always come back to it. I'm going to be using a payslip I downloaded online. Your payslip might not look exactly like this format, but then check out for this code and deductions because they mean the same thing. At the top of the payslip, the first thing you see is your PPS number, your employment code, your name, the dates, the months, and all those things. So now let's get into the payslip proper. You would see what your main pay is. Holiday pay or extra hours you put in, it will also reflect there. So that is your gross pay. When you come over to the other side, the first thing you see is payee. This is your normal tax, and of course you know there are different bands, 20%, 40%, depending on how much you make. The second one is the PRSI, which is the pay related social insurance, and this actually has to do with your social welfare and pension. And then the third one is USC, which is a universal social charge, and you pay this one if your gross income is above £13,000 per year. Now, the payee, the PRSI, and the USC are like the standard deductions. But then you have other deductions like the pension, on which you're contributing to your retirement. Of course, AVC, which is the additional voluntary contribution. That means if you're making any other additional contribution, maybe a personal pension or something, this is where the deduction comes into. Then, of course, health, if you're contributing for health insurance, and the PRSA is the personal retirement savings account. Note the standard is the payee, the PRSI, and the USC, and then in most cases, the pension. Other ones are voluntary, which means it can differ from person to person. Now, the next we are looking at is the summary of pay. So here you have your gross pay, which is your total pay without any deductions. Then the second one is the total deductions. This is all those deductions they've taken out. This is where you see it. So your gross pay minus your taxable deductions, and that will give you your net pay, and this is what you're going to be taking home at the end of the month. Now, I hope when you look at your pay slip, you're able to know like what each deduction means. And if this video helped you, please give me a follow and share this video so other people could learn.